So let's talk about owning a market, and I mean actually owning a certain sector of the market. Let's talk about owning a marketplace, because this is something that often in smaller markets, or actually in every market, there are small things that you can just come across that will allow you to own an entire zone. And I think there's true power in that if it is your audience. So I'll give you an example. In town, we have a bowling alley. The bowling alley in town isn't that amazing, but it's a bowling alley and it's the only one in town. And so people go to it. Now, because of this bowling alley, they have, the screens that show the scorecards, and there are interstitial ads that you can develop and put on there, and you can buy them. These things are $1 a day. And we can, at that price, I would be happy to do multiple creatives and buy up all their space, because why not? $1 a day, you're looking at $30 and you can just own all of them, and it'll look like you sponsored the entire bowling alley. Now, if their customers are in your market, suddenly you are owning prime real estate in the bar, the snacks, the arcade, the actual lanes themselves. Anytime that there is a tournament, guess who's gonna be there? You are. We're working with the client where it makes sense. We're gonna drop them in there and let them own the entire thing. The only way to find these is really to be watching out for them. I happened to go in and I happened to see that you could advertise there, and I didn't know the rates. So I was like, well, tell me the rates. $30 for the month. What? Okay. How many can I do? I don't know, as many as you want, I suppose. Okay. I have one client who would be interested in buying up all of it. Can we do that? I guess. All right, we're in business. There's something about the incredible lift of if you are the only advertiser in a space. So if you can find something where you own all of it, all the real estate, people don't look for anyone else. They don't think about anybody else. And it feels much bigger than maybe it really is or costs. It's a great tactic if you're really trying to drive up your drive up your awareness for your business.